Thank you very much, Lily, for sharing with me your nervous system retraining process. Through your process, I was able to conquer my diabetes, my high blood pressure, and my overweight. In just 3 weeks of practicing your process, thank you so much, Lily, for bringing back my life and for empowering me. I never thought I could be free from maintenance drugs because, my mom died of drug overdose because she was given 14 kinds of maintenance drugs that caused her kidney to collapse. And I don't want to suffer that pain. That's why I was so depressed when you reached out to me and told me that you can help me manage my diabetes and high blood pressure. You are an angel sent by God from heaven to empower and help me conquer my disease. I am so happy. My life has been so much joy because I can focus now more on my job, on what I do, and my time is not wasted on feeling sick and always sleeping. Thank you so much, Lily. I owe you my life. People need to know about you because you will help a lot of people like me. Thank you so very much, Lily.